Guys, welcome back to my channel Strong Funda. Today I came back with one of the most interesting question which I hope you people will like a lot. And this question comprises of a lot of brainstorming, deep thinking, logical thinking. Using your logical concept, you will be able to solve this question. However, if you only been focused on reciting the formula, how to uh, recite a formula and how to solve a particular questions, then you may find a kind of difficulty in solving this question. So let's not waste the time. I just quickly want to take you through the question. Okay, so here's the question. First thing is that if you're going to read these questions, I hope that some of the you people are thinking of skipping this question, because seeing these questions you might be thinking that okay, it will require a lot of time. Why should I leave this, why should I attempt this question when I'm having a more easier question. I'm not saying that that's not a right approach, but I'm saying is that if you want to increase or improve your thinking level, and if you want to raise your confidence level a bit higher than others, then I urge you to try to solve these kind of questions. Okay, let's read this question and then we'll move to the approach how to solve this question. Okay, so what is saying that two circles are placed in an equilateral triangle as shown in the figure. So this is the equilateral triangle. So I hope that you guys know the equilateral triangle is. The equilateral triangle whose all three sides are equal. So let's say this is the side A of this triangle, and this, and you know that all three angles are equal, which is equivalent to the 60 degree. I'm just writing 60 degrees. Okay, so what they are asking, the ratio of the area of the smaller circle. If I take this circle, the area of smaller circle, I can try like this, area of this smaller circle to the area of the equivalent circle, equilateral triangle. So this is my triangle. Okay, so let's quickly find out the area of a smaller the area of the triangle, and we know the area of equilateral triangle equivalent to root 3 by 4 side square. Very simple. Okay, I hope you know all those things, how to find out the area of equilateral triangle, but this is a straightforward thing. But the main thing is that how to find out the area of this smaller circle. So let's take an approach. Since this is an equilateral triangle, can I draw a perpendicular over here? Okay, fine. Okay, and I can see there is an inner circle, and if you guys have read a little bit about the inner circle and circle properties, that the if I draw its a radius, it's going to make, whenever it touches this internally, it's always make a 90 degree, and of course this is also perpendicular for the equilateral triangle. And if I draw a parallel line to over here, it is also making another triangle. For this triangle, this would be the inner radius. Okay, so let's quickly go how to find the Inradius. There is a formula of Inradius, but I don't want that you people should recite the formula. I just want take you through how this particular Inradius formula came. So let's take a radius of r, and if I'm going to draw, let's say this one, so it is going to make a inner circle. If I touches, so if I going to draw a hypotenuse, so I know that this whole angle is 60 degree, and it is a bisector, because it for the equilateral triangle it is been making an angle to the center of the circle. So can I say this is 30 degree? Okay, now take out this only the triangle. This is 30 degree. This is my this is my, I will say that a by 2, because the whole side is a, so smaller side is a by 2, and this is the radius. Okay, so how can I find the relationship between the radius and the side of a triangle? I simply put the formula of tan 30, which is equivalent to base is our radius, sorry, height is our radius and base is the side, which is a by 2. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equivalent to, sorry, this is only 2, so radius will be a by 2 root 3. So this is always be a formula. So for a circle who is having a who is having a radius of r, and who is been inscribed inside a triangle who is having the side, if it is known as a, so this is the relationship. So this is how I told you that what is the relationship between the circle radius in radius and the side of a triangle. And using this approach, I want you guys to solve how to find out the circumscribed circle and their radius. Simply you have to use the this trigonometry formula, this one. So let's not waste the time. What we have find out is that the inner radius. So if a by 2 root 3 is the inner radius, can I say this height is the a by root 3, the full height? Fine, because this is twice of the radius. Okay, now what can I say? And I also know that the full height, because I know the, let's take out this area, sorry, this triangle, let's draw as this triangle. Okay, and I know this is the base for this triangle. I need to find out the altitude, and I know the angle, so I can simply go for the tan 60 formula. I need to find out the altitude, and my base is given as like this. So tan 60 is equal to root 3, and if I take a by 2, this is my altitude. So what I have come is that the whole height from here till the base, the whole height is, the altitude height is a by root 3 by 2, and I know this height, this till over here, this is a by root 3. So what is my upper triangle height? So what can I do is that just simply subtract this. So the full altitude height is a root 3 by 2 minus this height a by root 3. Just quickly solve. I want to get the remaining side, 2 root 3, and this 3 minus 2 is equal to a by 2 root 3. Fine. Okay, so I got this small triangle height is a by 2 root 3. I hope there is no problem over here. So let's go to the another screen. So what I got is that this height was a by 2 root 3. Okay, now this is also an equilateral triangle because I make a parallel line over here. So if I draw this a by 2 root 3, I can find out the base. Let's say this is the base, and this I know this this angle I know. So tan 60 equivalent to altitude upon base or perpendicular upon base. So this would be a by 2 root 3 divided by base, and tan 60 is root 3, and this is a by 2 root 3 base. So base would be a by 6. 2 into root 3 into root 3, 6. Okay, so I find out the base as a by 6. The whole side would be a by 3. Okay, and I know, okay, and what would be my in radius? I need to find out this radius. So simply apply the formula of tan 30 over here. Tan 30 is radius upon this side, a by 6. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Radius upon a, this will go up 6. So my radius would be a upon 6 root 3. Any problem? So I found out the radius as a by 6 root 3. Okay, so I can find out the area of upper smaller circle. So area of the smaller circle, pi r square. Pi radius is a by 6 root 3 ka square. So what it will become? A is equal to pi a square upon 36 into 3. Okay, and what is my area of this larger triangle? So area of larger triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, which I calculated earlier. If I'm going to make a ratio of this two smaller circle to the triangle, so can I say pi a square 36 into 3 divided by root 3 by 4. Let's quickly solve. Pi upon, this is also a square, so a square get cancelled. 36 into 3 divided by root 3 into 4, 4 9 are 36. So it will become pi by 27 root 3. So this is the area of a smaller circle to the area of larger triangle. Let's quickly see if we have this ratio. Pi by 27 by 3. This is our answer. Okay, so okay guys, I know that this problem took time, but actually this problem use all your geometry concepts. So what are the concepts which we have used? We have used the concept of Inradius. We have used the concept of trigonometry, that we should know the value of tan 30 degree, and we know the we use the concept of drawing a parallel line, and the angle would be equal. So there's a lot of concept been used, but if you guys try to solve this kind of problem, you will now realize that your thinking level may have increased, and you would be able to solve this kind of problem, but not by skipping this kind of problem. So definitely it is going to benefit somewhere in your mind. Okay, so I hope guys that I could be able to make my objective achievable for you, so that I could be able to make your fundamental more stronger, and I will be come back with like these kind of interested video in the future as well. I just a small request to you guys, please like this video, subscribe it, and share it to your friend. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you guys with more another interesting video. Thank you guys, bye.